Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 4 Glossary Word Meaning. Alteration tabdili, a change to something that makes it different. Anthropology Bashariyat, the study of the human race, especially of its origins, development, customs and beliefs. Epuji माजरत करना, बुलंद तरीन मुकाम को भी कहते हैं. The highest point of something, बुलंद तरीन मुकाम, where it is greatest or most successful. A plague, sina tangna, a type of needlework in which small pieces of cloth are sewn or stuck in a pattern onto a larger piece. Arabesque, Arabi आराइश का काम. Arabesque, a type of design where lines wend around each other. Artifact, nawadirat, an object that is made by a person, especially something of historical or cultural interest. Blaring, चीख, जोरदार चीख को blaring कहते हैं. To make a loud unpleasant noise को blaring कहते हैं. To make a loud unpleasant noise. Boom, तेजी से जोर से मारना. To have a period of rapid growth या boom खिलने को भी कहते हैं. जब गुलाब का फूल खिलता है तो उसको बूमिंग कहते हैं. चेसिस, मोटर कार का ढांचा. चेसिस, मोटर कार का ढांचा. द फ्रेम दैट अ व्हीकल इज बिल्ट ऑन. डैंगलिंग, लटकता हुआ. टू हैंग और मूव फ्रीली, टू होल्ड समथिंग सो दैट इट हैंग्स और मूव्स फ्रीली. डिग, सजा देना. टू डेकोरेट समबॉडी समथिंग विद समथिंग. Emblem, alamat. Emblem, alamat. A design or picture that represents a country or an organization. Embodiment, mujassim. A person or thing that represents or is a typical example of an idea or a quality. Fancier, shauqeen. A person who has a special interest in something, especially somebody who keeps a particular type of bird or animal. फ्रेस्को, पलस्तर की हुई दीवार पर नक्श बनाना. फ्रेस्को, a picture that is painted on a wall while the plaster is still wet. The method of painting in this way. Fringe, किनारी, the front part of somebody's hair that is cut so that it hangs over their forehead. From stem to stern. Idiom, all the way from the front of a ship to the back, entirely, fully. Guild, हम पेशा लोग. Guild, हम पेशा लोग को guild कहते हैं. An organization of people who do the same job or who have the same interests or aims. Enlace, जुलना, पिचकारी करना. To decorate the surface of something by putting pieces of wood or metal into it in such a way that the surface remains smooth. In residence, रिहाइशगाह में. Committed to live and work in a certain place, often for a specific length of time. जौसल, झटका. जौसल, झटका. जोल्ट जिसको भी कहते हैं, जोल्ट. To push roughly against somebody in a crowd, उसको जौसल कहते हैं. Radioscope, a tie consisting of a tube that you look through with loose pieces of color glass and mirrors at the end. When the tube is turned, the pieces of glass move and form different patterns. Long haul, tawil safar, involving the transport of goods or passengers over long distances. Magnate, seat, सेठ बहुत अमीर ताजर. Magnate, बहुत अमीर ताजर. A person who is rich, powerful and successful, especially in business. Medieval, Quruni Wasta से मुतालिक. Connected with the Middle Ages, about AD 1000 to AD 1450. About 1000 AD to 1450 AD इसको medieval age कहते हैं. Motif, a design or a pattern used as a decoration, इसको मोटिफ शक्ल कहते हैं. म्यूरल, दीवार से मुताल्लिक. म्यूरल, दीवार से मुताल्लिक. of a painting large and done on a wall, sometimes on an outside wall of a building. म्यूरल वो पेंटिंग होता है जो बैरूनी दीवार पर होती है. नॉस्टैल्जिक पुरानी यादें. नॉस्टैल्जिक पुरानी यादें. Having or bringing a sad feeling mixed with pleasure when you think of happy times in the past. Painstaking मेहनती, done with a lot of care, effort and attention to detail. Propane, a flammable hydrocarbon gas of the alkane series, present in natural gas and used as bottle fuel. Recon, तस्वुर करना. Recon, तस्वुर करना. Think something or have an opinion about something. Spiff off, banana savarna. Spiff off, banana savarna. To make yourself somebody something look neat and attractive. इसको spiffing off कहते हैं. Spiffing off. Supplant, बदलना. To take the place of somebody something, especially somebody something older or less modern. Supplant. Talent scout, someone who looks for people who have the skills they want, especially in entertainment or sport. Upholsterer, sofa banane wala, a person who covers a chair etc. with soft material, padding and cloth or leather. Vibrant, mutaharrik, full of life and energy. ग्रीनविच विलेज ये न्यूयॉर्क का एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो आर्टिस्ट, राइटर्स और म्यूजिशियन के लिए मशहूर है. माइनर कानकुन, वन हु वर्क्स इन अ माइन. निमोनिया, अ डिजीज कॉजिंग द इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ लंग्स. वाइन, अंगूर के बेल. अ प्लांट दैट ग्रोज अलोंग अ सरफेस बाय क्लाइंबिंग, ट्वाइनिंग और क्रीपिंग. वाइल्ड, जंगली. मार्क्ड बाय लैक ऑफ कंट्रोल और रेस्ट्रेंट. गोल. बियर, रीच को भी कीजिए और बर्दाश्त करना. टू एक्सेप्ट, कबूल करना. Common touch, आम राबिते, ability to get along with ordinary people. Foes, दुश्मन, enemies. Foes. Give way, allow, इजाज़त देना. Give way, allow, इजाज़त देना. Heap, dare, अंबार, pile. Imposters, जालसाज. Imposters, जालसाज. People who pretend to be other people, showing a false identity. Knaves, बददियानत शख्स. Lying men, rogues, बदमाश. Knaves. Make allowance, वजीफा देना. Permit, allow, इजाज़त देना. Pitch and toss, gambling game. A game of skill and chance. Breathe a word, tell a secret, talk about something. Serve your turn, be useful, helpful. Sinave, नस को कहते हैं. वतर को भी कहते हैं. Strong tissue that connects muscles to bones. Sinave, नस. Stoop, झुकना. Bend. Stoop, झुकना. Triumph, फतह, victory, success. Will, determination, azam, इरादा. Winnings, जीत. Money that is won in a game. Wise, smart, अक्लमंद. Worn out, थका हुआ, खत्म. Damaged, used.